Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Apple Watch is charged and fitted snugly so heart rate and motion sensors work reliably. Next, open the workout app and scroll to the activity that matches your session. This aligns metrics and GPS tracking. Once done, set a clear goal, calories, time, or distance, because goals control pacing and alerts. Then tap Start to begin tracking immediately so your watch records heart rate, pace, and duration from the first second. You'll see real-time metrics: heart rate, pace, elapsed time, and calories, all helpful to stay on target. If you need to pause or mark a lap, swipe or press the side buttons. Using lock prevents accidental taps when swimming or running. Make sure to glance at the metrics view to confirm GPS and cadence. If music or volume needs adjusting, use the digital crown so you don't break stride. Keep an eye on haptic alerts. They guide you without looking down. When you complete your session, swipe or press end, then tap Save to store the workout so you can review it later. After saving, open the fitness or health app on your iPhone to analyze splits, heart rate zones, and GPS routes. That review helps refine your next workout. If the workout app won't start or metrics aren't recording, force close the app, restart the watch. Confirm Watch OS is up to date and that Bluetooth and location services are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.